the project with the title is Advanced Machine Compression with Conventional Control. So before we begin, I would like to say thank you for Mr. Naufal as a reviewer and also Mr. Sulistiono as project manager for this project presentation. Okay, thanks. Okay, for the next slide is the team member. So I would like to introducing our member. Start with me. My name is Haniful Fikri, and I am honored to be the team leader of Team 4. And with my teammate, we have Muhammad Nurreza Nugroho and Andi Muhammad Rehat Fadli, Muhammad Nurdin Faza, and last is Jonas Ilawan. Next. So we start in our project progress. In our project progress, we break down in the three main phase. The first is design, the second is tools and material, and the last is mechanical. First, in design phase, we definitely complete the 100% of design of machine, that including like the main machine of compression, the support base structure, and also the control box for place component electronic like button, selector, and limit switch. Also limit switch. And then the next is tools and material. And tools and material. We have controlled our view of material and have successfully gathered until 65% of ingredient is including like relay, saluda, and saluda. And the last is mechanical. For the mechanical, we divide it in the two process. The first is cutting. So during cutting, we definitely using the laser cutting for cutting the base structure and also for the box control. And the next is assemble the prep. For the assembly the prep, after we process the laser cutting, we assemble the frame like control box and also assemble the rail omega in the structure base. Maybe that's to our progress. The next slide will be explained by Reza.
Okay, thank you. So in this slide, I want to explain the dimension of the first week, second week, and week 4 we make already implementation plan. And week 3 we engineering drawing for compression machine. And in the week 5 we request for a material form and collection of material based on them. And the week 6 we request for a cutting form. And the week 7 we apply cutting process and assemble part of assembly. And the last substitute week we apply cutting process again, fabrication base of cutting machine. And the last one is we make PPT for a benchmark. Next slide. So in this our main thing, the first one is developing the surface control system, especially electric system, relay and implementation. And the secondly is creating a dual mode system, it can manual and automatic. And the thirdly is implementing relay and limit switch. Relay are used to control the electrical current, while limit switch are used as movement limit sensor to improve the safety and stability of the AC. And the last one is improving student understanding and skill. In this course, in the last is this project, we get together and we get a better understanding and practical skill in mechatronics and electrical system and simple automation technology. In the next slide, we will explain the Fiona.
Division of Transfers, Haniful Fikri, Roles and Responsibilities, PIC, Mechanical and Electrical Support.
one is the difficulty of obtaining the required material and component due to the limited availability. And the second one is the item that we already received did not match the required specification, which resulted in slowing down our project progress. And the third one is we face challenge in the wiring process because the incompatible limit switch component that also needs require additional troubleshooting to solve the problem. Next slide, please. Okay, so despite the challenge we face with this week, we also gain additional knowledge and experience. Like we understand the basic circuitry of the Cartesian machine control system. We also understood how the semi-automatic working mechanism being operated by the machines. And we also gain hand-on experience in 2D and 3D design of 3D design models using the designing software. And the last one is we gain an understanding on how using the electrical tools and mechanical fabrication tools. And overall, despite the challenge we face, we believe that we gain insight that help us understanding this project more. The next slide will be explained by my colleague, Firkin Fadl.
Okay, in this slide I will explain our plan for the next 7 weeks. For the first upcoming week, which is week 8, we will gather all mechanical and electrical parts needed for this project. Then in week 9, we will complete the mechanical assembly, especially for the box and the machine base. After that, during week 10 and 11, we will complete the electrical assembly and wiring process, such as installing relay, switch and other components. Then in week 12, we will testing and checking the quality of the machine to make sure the system can work properly and to avoid minimal function. Next slide. In week 13, we will create final report and project documentation to be submitted to the project manager. Then for the last week, we will do the details project presentation as the final presentation of this one. And here you can see, guys, the final result illustration based on our planning. The machine design will look like this, where components such as push button, limit switch and selector will be pressed on the box. And for the cable duct, the relays and mega rails will be pressed beside the box. However, this design will still change if there are any obstacle and adjustment during the project progress. Okay, that's all from me. I will give it back to Oliver.
Okay, for the conclusion, the project provided value experience during and including operation system and no problem project based learning method. From this project, we improve not only our technical skills, but also problem solving, communication, and also teamwork. Maybe that's all.